GPU financing partners fund hundreds of millions of dollars in servers across multiple AI factories. But until today, they have struggled to track and monitor the physical assets. Hydra's Lender Dashboard gives AI factories and their financing partners a shared source of truth, a dedicated portal with direct visibility into every financed server. Every server tied to its hardware serial number. Purpose-built for audit trails and asset management. Connection status verified at the infrastructure layer, straight from Hydra's hardware controller. Technical specs, burn-in results, and full diagnostic health history. Going beyond asset verification and into asset health, confirming the hardware is ready to earn revenue. All of this across every AI factory in a single portal, updated every hour. Verified asset data, shared visibility, unlocking trust for all parties in large AI factory deals. Another reason why the best build on Hydra.